Hey guys, this is a Dyson hairdryer that is on special at Thanksgiving from Shoppers during the bonus redemption event. So the hairdryer originally it cost $679, and they have $100 off, and they have a bonus redemption event, which I got it with like 300,000 points. That's worth of $300 plus $66 tax. That's all I'm paying for. So now I'm gonna unbox it and see what's inside. So as you can see, there is a tape from Shoppers. It's delivered by UPS. And it came literally 2 days after I placed the order. Okay, and this is the filler to make sure I get the over $500. Yeah, samples of it also came with the order, which I am seeing one so far, and I'll try to see if I can find the other two. And this is, oh, there's another one here, which I am able to find it, and I'll see if there's another one at the end. And this is the hairdryer that comes in a box. Okay, so it's time to open the actual product and see what's inside. And this is my first time getting a Dyson hairdryer that cost quite expensive to me. However, with the bonus redemption, I think it's worth to get it. Alright, and you can see from the box, this is the blue color. I'm not sure what's the difference between the blue one and the red one. Okay, let's see. Alright, as you can see, this is the hairdryer called Dyson Nural. It's the newer model with with a little pointy thing inside, and the two buttons. There's a ring here, which I think there is lights to indicate the temperature. Okay, so this is the hairdryer itself, which I'm gonna put aside for now. It also comes with a big head, which it helps to comb the hair. And then